My fellow Nigerians, just imagine say you get 50 of such men for Aso Rock for strong leadership position. Wetin be the fate of your nation? Think about getting an average black man with a black man mentality wey dey idolize things when he's supposed to fit produce. This just dey remind me of that movie God Must Be Crazy, when African man dey worship bottle wey fall from sky. You can imagine how much they don spend just to buy these 200 pieces of wristwatch, countless numbers of shoes, and expensive perfumes. Do you know that these shoes, these wristwatches, and the perfumes can all be produced even in better quality in Abia State? But we don't have leaders with productive minds. All we have are leaders who just want to cash out and buy everything that is buyable. And as if that is not enough, can you imagine the confidence that they have in showing off their wealth these days? Of course, why would they not be this confident? They have had freedom to do this thing over time, and now to them it is seeming like an entitlement. And now they are free to show you how they are wasting your nation's resource on a daily. Such confidence. These are the reasons why we are telling you that we need to take these people out of power. We are not telling you that Peter Obi is better or is a saint or is holy and is so extremely righteous. But hey, my brother, if you have a choice between the devil and the deep blue sea, and then you have a lesser evil, wetin you go choose? Because if you choose the devil or the deep blue sea when you have a lesser evil, that means you love poverty. Just take a look at these things that Abia State can produce alone, even Anambra State. But we don't have leaders with productive minds. How long are we going to stay like this, Nigerians? This is just one out of the many in Aso Rock, my dear. Nigerian youths, let's think. Let's have a rethink. Shun tribalism. Shun religion for now. Think of your future. These people are using your future to play kalo. Think, my brother. Think, my sister. Think.